Minor powers of attorney enable parents or guardian of a child to give parenting decisions to another adult. Also called a child power of attorney, they're intended to apply only on a temporary basis. They're used in situations in which the parent or guardian is unavailable to make a needed decision on the child's behalf. This may happen if the parent or guardian is traveling, serving in the military, incapacitated because of a medical procedure, or any other situation that could prevent or substantially delay a needed response. What should you know before setting up a minor power of attorney? Like other powers of attorney, minor powers of attorney require one party known as the principal to give certain powers to another party known as the agent. Powers of attorney are created through written documents which can limit both the time period they're effective and the powers that the agent can exercise. Minor or child powers of attorney, though, do have some things that set them apart from other types of powers of attorney. First of all, they aren't meant to be permanent. Transferring all parenting responsibilities to another adult would technically constitute an adoption and can't be done just by creating your own form. The law in your state may specifically limit how long the powers of attorney can be in effect. Second, while some kinds of powers of attorney may be drafted and understood broadly, such as those covering financial matters, state law may limit what can be done with a minor power of attorney. For example, no matter what the power of attorney document says, some states will not allow an agent to provide the needed consent for an underage marriage. Once you feel confident you need one and are ready to get started, how do you create a minor power of attorney? The first task is identifying the child, the principal, and the agent. If you're creating a minor power of attorney, think carefully about the person you plan to select as an agent. In fact, you should have this person selected and talk with him or her before drafting the power of attorney. Consider that the day-to-day responsibilities of parenting don't come up in most power of attorney agreements. That agent can be a babysitter, a child care worker, or taking care of the child, but doesn't have to be. It should also include the date the power of attorney becomes effective, how long it will be effective for, and the abilities the agent will have. In general, the more time the power of attorney is in effect, the broader the grant of authority should be. This is because as time passes, the odds of something unforeseen happening increase, and a minor power of attorney that is too narrowly drawn could take power away from the agent just when it is needed the most. Finally, make sure that you have copies of the minor power of attorney on file with institutions like the child's school and primary care provider, as well as extra copies available for the agent to provide if he or she is asked. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Click or tap the link here for a detailed entry on minor powers of attorney, including timelines and forms for every state. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on legal issues in everyday life.